Hi, my name is Britt. I'm a naturalist in the PNW, and I'm going on a walk with my dog Remy today, and we're gonna go walk to the ocean, and there's some woods in between, so literally just try to see whatever I can find. Ready. Water's flowing. Okay, one of the first really cool things that I'm seeing are these waxy caps. So these are super bright yellow mushrooms. I feel like no one can deny that these waxy caps are just absolutely gorgeous. And they have a very brittle stipe, as you can see. And they're a bit waxy on the top, go figure. It's maybe why they're called waxy cap. And yeah, there is just a ton of these. These can grow super bright red, they can grow bright orange. That's so pretty. I have this whole section to myself. Oh! The tide is way lower. Nice bald eagle. Wow, hi! Oh, those are mergansers. You can hear the eagle in the background. Oh my god. So pretty anemones. Hi. These are beautiful. The Trimides versicolor. So this is going to have bright white tiny pores underneath. It's definitely Trimides. This is a very new flush. It's beautiful and it's all over this log. This is an artist conch. You can actually break these off and draw on the white porous underside while it's still young and fresh, and then when it dries out it'll just stay that way. It's really cool. People have been carving into these for art for hundreds of years. I have a ton in my house.